Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah. Hi everyone. In this video I will be solving question 3 of a grade 11 elite coverage for this term. So it says particle X moves along the positive X axis, right? So that its position at time t is bigger than or equal to 0, okay? Is given by x of t equals 5t cubed minus 9t squared plus 7. The particle is moving along the positive x-axis, so the direction can be right or left along the positive x-axis. Part A says, is particle x moving toward the left or toward the right at t equals 1? Give a reason for your answer. So for part A, we must find the velocity of the particle, v of t, which is the derivative of x of t, which is given by 15 t squared minus 18 t. And then find the sign of the velocity at t equals 1. That means you are looking for v of 1, which is x prime of 1. 15 times 1 squared minus 18 times 1. This is equivalent to minus 3. So it is negative. That means the particle, right? The particle is moving to the left at t equals 1 because v of 1 is negative. Because the velocity is negative, at t equals 1 the particle is moving to the left. This is part A. Well, part B says at what time t is bigger than or equal to 0 is particle x farthest to the left. So we need to find the derivative of x of t, and then we'll find the critical points, and then we're going to check when the particle is farthest to the left. So for part B, we need x prime of t, which we already found in the previous part. It's 15 t squared, right, minus 18t. Okay, if you set it equal to 0 and you factor out t, that is 15 minus, sorry, this is t squared. 15t minus 18 equals to 0. That means t can be 0 and t, it can be, well, 18 over 15, it's 6 over 5, which is the same as 1.2. So, okay. Now, let's check what's happening at those two values. Now, I'd like to explain it through a number line starting at 0, and there is also at t equals 6 over 5. This is 6 over 5. Now, what about the sign of x prime of t between 0 and 6 over 5? Yani, let's choose 1. 15 minus 18 will be negative. And then after this, if you choose 2, it will be positive. Okay? So, what happens here? So the particle start moving at t equals 0. Okay, for the first 1.2 seconds or minutes or whatever, it moved left until t equals 6 over 5. After that, it changes direction and the velocity becomes positive, right? After that, the velocity is positive. So at what t value is the particle furthest to the left? It is at t equals 6/5. As you can see here, the particle reaches the farthest point to the left at t equals 6/5. After that, it's not moving to the left anymore. Hopefully that was clear. Okay, so part C says a second particle y moves along the positive y-axis. It moves along the positive y-axis so that the position is given by y of t equals 7t plus 3. At time t is bigger than or equal to 0, the origin and the positions of the particles x and y are the vertices of a triangle in the first quadrant. Find the rate of change of the area of the triangle when t is equal to 1. So what is happening here in this part C? Okay, this is the origin, right? This is the origin. Now the first particle is moving along what? The x-axis, and the position is given by x of t. There is another particle moving along this, which is y of t. Okay, so they form a triangle. They form what? A triangle. Now x of t and y of t are both given, and it says at what rate is the area of this triangle changing. So we need to find dA, or we are looking for a prime of t at t equals it says at t equals 1, so we are looking for a prime of 1. Well, let's first write a formula for the area. Well, the area of this triangle is equal to 1/2 times the base, right, which is x of t, times what? Times the height, which is y of t. So this is 1/2, and x of t is given, which is 5t cubed minus 9t squared plus 7 times y of t. It's also given 7t plus 3. This is a of t. Okay, so to find a prime of t, you must differentiate using the product rule. Keep the half in front. Okay, now differentiate the first. It is 15t squared minus 18t. Leave the second, 7t plus 3, plus leave the first, 5t cubed minus 9t squared plus 7 times the derivative of the second, which is just 7. So a prime of 1 equals just substitute the t equals 1. Okay, you will get a prime of 1 equals minus 9/2. Minus 9/2. That's it for this question. I wish you all the best.